Yeah? Oh, vale. Okay. Hello, everyone. We wanted to go for the Vueling challenge. So, just for you to know, ¿qué? Vale. um, we wanted to make like a Mario Party game to play on the airplane while you're traveling, where you can like socialize with the people around you. So we decided to make well, first of all, when you come to when you enter the plane and go to your seat, you will find a QR code that scanning it will lead it to a website joder, macho. Sí. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. At the beginning, we decided to think that in the plane will be a QR that you have to scan with your mobile or some kind of camera. Then it will redirect you to this landing page. Then you can download the app here. This is, of course, a local server that is in this here. So then this also has a parameter, a get parameter in the URL that is mapped on the web server, and then we can map the seat from the plane to the IP from the client. So already we know which IP is the place from one IP. Like if I'm I don't know, one IP, and I'm in the A2, then when I send some package to the game, I will know that this person is here. So later we have some like cooperative games. Then we can like how to say it, juntar. Some people can play together, maybe groups from 4 people. So we group the people that are near between them. So okay, this is the app. Are you ready now? Okay, so as you were saying, the idea is to socialize with the people around you. So we thought about like mini games where people, teams from 4 to 2 people can play and win points and like that. And well, just for you to see how it works, we're gonna make like a demo. We thought about making like 3-4 games per trip, so they are like little short games. And while you're waiting for your game to start, you will see an stream of the current game and how the ranking it's going. And each person is identified by its seat number. As she said, when you connect to the website, we have your IP with your seat. And when the game is about to start, you will join a team with other 3 mates from the airplane. And then depending on the distance of the flight, you will have different games. Like for example, from Barcelona to Athens, you will have like 4 games because it's a short trip, and the games will be themed as the destination. Like if you go to Norway, for example, you will have games more themed like snowy and like that. So for you to know how the game is played. Wait, espera. We thought about like 10 mini games, but we just could do one in the 36 hours we had. So in this game, every player has the control of a direction. So when you press the paddle button,
I'm sorry, guys. We're running out of time. But yeah, let's move on to judge questions. And
So-
thank you for the demo.
Right now, there are 2 persons playing on the same time.
Questions.
Hello, thank you for your presentation.
And congratulations. Well, I have a couple of questions. The first one is you mentioned all this is related to a QR code. So what happened? No, can you hear me? No? Yeah, okay. So you said that so the way to enter this platform would be through a QR code. Okay, so how are you planning to do that? Are you going to provide an additional URL or something like that in case I am traveling with my mobile phone, but I want to use it with my, for instance, with my laptop or something like that? And then, sorry, just the second question, because this is linked to the seat number you've been assigned. So are you willing to have access to any private, by being requested or because you have access to it, information of the passenger? And how is this displayed in terms of privacy within the game?
For the first question, the game is multi-platform, so you can play it on your phone, on your laptop, on your iPad, or even in the screens of the plane. So you don't need exclusively your phone to play it. And yeah, in case that someone doesn't have any way to scan the QR code, I think we could do it with a URL. And
for the second question regarding the secure, like the privacy, we store like the local IP because again, this is a local IP. We have a hotspot here, like it's like the plane Ethernet. So it's a local IP, and we only store the seat. We don't store any other kind of data. And anyway, the example that we provide here is just a normal web app with a get parameter. Of course, in a real implementation, won't be so simple than just modify this one. Could be maybe some kind of token or some kind of better, I don't know how to say it, a better way to do it. But yeah, we don't store any kind of weird data, like privacy data or confidential data.
Okay, no, I was asking that actually because I've been playing on flights to similar platforms like this one, and the thing is that normally there's a reminder mentioning that if you do not change your ID, which is the seat number, people will be able to know where you are sitting. So to know the person you're playing with, where's he or she sitting. So that's why they give you the possibility to just change the name. So I don't know if you've considered that. I know you didn't have much time.
I'm not sure about the question. ¿Qué he preguntado exactamente? Porque me he perdido a la mitad. No, okay, no, sorry. The point is that our idea is that the people who is playing has to know where are the other people, because already is like they have to socialize. For example, this game, one person plays to the, when he moves, the player moves to the right, and when the other moves, goes to up, for example. So you have to communicate with the other people, so you have to know where they are. So there is no sense to.
Also, one of the things of the challenge was to socialize in the airplane. So we had an algorithm that joins the players of the teams from their proximity on the airplane. So they have to know where their teammates are. And for example, in this image, when you join a team, you can see where the
but we have run out
others
of
players
time.
are.
If you can finish the question.
Thank you.
Thank you.